Hi everyone and welcome. This is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to restore menu bar in Visual Studio Code. So without any further ado, we are going to be beginning, but before that you can head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. If you do that, it will be highly appreciated. So to simply get your menu bar back, so a lot of time we are simply playing with the panels, so you might just mess up the thing, but do not worry, it is quite simple. What you're gonna do is you can head over to your help drop down, and once you are there you are going to be clicking the very first option, and once you do that, apparently it is going to be coming back. So you can see you can also use for older version of Visual Studio, you can head over to appearances and show menu bar. There's going to be that option in the view, and make sure that it is. You're going to be simply type in here this command and select the first option, and apparently that is going to do the job. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If it does, subscribe to our channel and donate using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and do not forget to head over to the link in the description to donate to our channel. See you guys around in the next video.